Hey guys, welcome back to my series of videos where I solve LeetCode problems from scratch. And let's go. Binary tree, preorder traversal. Given the root of a binary tree, return the preorder traversal of its nodes values. What is a preorder traversal? I don't know what that is. 1, 2, 3. Output 1, 2, 3. I'm going to Google this because I don't know what this is. What's the preorder traversal? The preorder traversal is a type of tree traversal that visits the root node first, followed by the left subtree, and then the right subtree. It's called a preorder traversal because the root node is always visited before any of its child nodes. Okay, so I guess that we can do recursive. We can do something recursive. So I guess that start with the edge case. If roots is none, return an array. So return the root. So root dot val plus we concatenate with preorder traversal of root dot left. So and then same thing root dot right. Run. I guess this works. Let's just submit. Okay, I'm happy with this. So if you guys didn't get what I did, we need to go root first, then the left tree, and then the right tree. But when you're on the left tree, you do the same thing. So it's the root of the left tree first, and then the left tree of the left tree, and then the left of the left, and all the way to the end, and then it's the right of the upmost left, and same thing onwards. So this works. Bye, guys.